Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to buy options on the Etrade app. First, ensure your Etrade account is approved for options trading. You'll also need sufficient funds, often a minimum of $2,000 for margin accounts, to cover your trades. It's crucial to understand the inherent risks of options trading before you begin. Familiarize yourself with potential losses and market volatility to make informed decisions. Once your account is ready, open the Etrade app and log in securely. Navigate to the search bar and enter the ticker symbol for the underlying stock you're interested in. For example, if you want to trade options on Apple, type Apple. From the stock's detail page, look for and select the Options Chain tab to see all available contracts. Within the options chain, you'll see various expiration dates and strike prices. Select the specific call or put option that aligns with your trading strategy. Then, choose Buy to Open to initiate a new position. Next, specify the number of contracts you wish to purchase and select your preferred order type, such as a limit order for precise pricing. Before finalizing, meticulously review all the details of your options order. Double-check the ticker symbol, expiration date, strike price, number of contracts, and order type to ensure everything is correct. Once you are confident, confirm your trade to execute the options purchase. Remember, options trading involves risk, so always trade responsibly. Also, be sure to check the description below for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.